I'm Kimberly Jentzen, and I'm an acting coach, teacher, and director. I've been teaching in this field for so many years, over 25 years, and I'm in love with the work. I have a beginning level, an entry level for actors. I also have intermediate, and I also have master students. I have several actors who've come out of the field, are on series or feature films, stars, and they also work with me as well. I've been a celebrity coach for years as well.
Kimberly's class is welcome for everybody who has an interest in acting, and as long as you come in with an open heart and an open mind and a strong commitment, you are absolutely welcome here.
We learn more than just acting. We also learn about the industry itself and about how to grow as a person and really push ourselves beyond boundaries and to be more just risk takers.
I have grown so much as an actor and an artist. She pushed me to start writing, and I directed something for the first time, and things I didn't know were possible. They happened because she pushed me.
You can kind of work on whatever you need to work on. Obviously it's acting, but it's just also personal growth too, which I think is really great.
I love coming to Kimberly's class because it's a consistent place to grow and really push myself and find myself as an artist.
The feeling I get when I walk into class is one of no boundaries. It's one of no walls. I'm free to discover more about not just my craft, but about who I am as a person. If you feel like joining, you should jump right into it head first.
If you want to get involved in my classes, go ahead and email us at info@kimberlyjentzen.com or go on my website, kimberlyjentzen.com. It's also called actingwithimpact.com, and click the contact button. Become a master at your craft. Don't buy into distractions. This is the moment. This is the time. Commit now.